This tutorial I will show you how to install JDK 19. Let's go to Oracle website, then Products, Java, download Java. We are going to use JDK 19. That's the latest version for now. I'm going to download 64-bit MSI installer. Once you download it, you can run it. Next, this is where you're going to install JDK 19. Close it. Let's open Windows Explorer, Program Files, Java. As you can see, JDK 19. We will use this path, so just copy. Properties, Advanced System Settings, Environment Variables for JDK. The first one we're going to use CLASSPATH, current directory, period. OK. We're going to set up Java home variable, installed directory. OK. We are going to add Java home to path, new, Java home, and then binary directory. This is where we have a Java C and Java runtime environment. OK. 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 Close it. Here is the command prompt. Java C version, Java C 19, Java runtime, Java version 19. That's all. Thank you.